Hello friends! The next thing I needed to test on the Unihertz Tank 4 is the massive battery that it has and its camping light. So I took a 4-day trip to the middle of nowhere and I brought along 5 phones including the Tank 4. Cell service was spotty, so my phone spent a lot of time searching for cell signal, which drains the battery faster. The first day of my trip, the iPhone 15 Pro died, but to be fair, I used the iPhone's GPS to help me get lost, so the iPhone had an excuse for why its battery failed first. The iPhone 15 Pro has a 3274 mAh battery, and I used the reverse charging on the Unihertz to charge the iPhone from 1% to 80%. Keep in mind that all of my phones are limited to an 80% charge to protect the battery health. Charging the iPhone to 80% means the battery should have approximately 2,400 mAh available. The second day, my Google Pixel 6 Pro's battery got low, so I used the Unihertz to charge it up from 20% to 80%. Adding 60% charge to the Pixel's 5,000 mAh battery is approximately 3,000 mAh of charge added. The third day, my Moto Razr 60 got low, so I used the Unihertz to charge it up from 20% to 80%. Adding 60% charge to the Razr's 4,700 mAh battery is approximately 2,800 mAh charge added. The last day, the Unihertz battery was at 11% after it had charged 3 phones up to 80% and had been used as a camping light. But alas, I needed it to put in a little extra work because my Moto G84 was almost dead. So I plugged the Unihertz into the G84 and charged it from 4% to 31% before the Unihertz battery finally ran dry and the Tank 4 shut off. Adding 27% to the G84's 5,000 mAh battery is approximately 1,300 mAh charge added. Adding up the amounts that the Unihertz charged all the other phones is approximately 9,500 mAh total, which means that over the 4 days, the Tank 4 used about 2,100 mAh to run the camping light and the IR camera when I didn't want to turn on the flashlight in the middle of the night. Lastly, before people tear my head off in the comments, I know this is not how batteries work, and the milliamp hours here is to estimate the power transfer just to show that the Unihertz Tank 4's battery is no joke. The most practical knowledge here is that the Unihertz Tank 4 can survive a long weekend as a camping tool without any issues. Alright, that is all I have for this video. Have a great rest of your day or night or whatever time it is.